Hello students, welcome to NIRS Education channel. Let's continue the lesson, the 100 dresses part 1. In our previous session, we came to know that all the other girls, they used to make fun of Wanda, asking about her dresses and pairs of shoes. Particularly, Peggy used to ask more questions. It doesn't mean Peggy was cruel girl. She used to ask so many questions to Wanda because she thought Wanda was telling lie. Because Wanda always used to wear same faded blue dress, but she used to tell she had 100 dresses. That made Peggy to ask such questions to Wanda Petronsky. Now let's continue the lesson. As for Maddie, this business of asking Wanda every day how many dresses and how many hats and how many this and that she had was bothering her. But Maddie was not happy with this game. Okay. This business of asking Wanda every day how many dresses she had, how many hats she had, and how many this or that she had was bothering her. That was irritating her. Maddie did not like that. Maddie was poor herself because Maddie herself was a poor girl. She usually wore somebody's hand-me-down clothes. She used to wear somebody's hand-me-down clothes. Hand-me-down clothes means old clothes handed down by someone else. Okay. She used to wear such kind of dress which are given by the others. Old dress. Okay. Thank goodness she didn't live up on Boggins Heights or have funny names. She used to say thanks to God because she was not living in Boggins Heights and she did not have funny name like Petronsky. Suppose if she had such name or if she was living in Boggins Heights, other girls used to make fun of Maddie. That's why she was telling thanks to God. Sometimes when Peggy was asking Wanda those questions in that mocking polite voice, Maddie felt embarrassed and studied the marbles in the palm of her hand, rolling them round and saying nothing herself. Yes, sometimes when Peggy was asking Wanda those questions in the mocking polite voice, mocking means false, mean to make fun of, in order to make fun of Wanda while Peggy was asking questions in a polite manner, pretended polite manner. Maddie felt embarrassed. That time Maddie used to feel embarrassed. Embarrassed means ashamed. And studied the marbles in her palm of her hands. That time she used to look at the marbles which are there on her palms of her hands, rolling them around and saying nothing herself. She used to roll them in her palms and she was not telling anything. She was not saying anything. She used to just listen those questions. Not that she felt sorry for Wanda exactly. It doesn't mean Maddie felt sorry for Wanda. Okay. She would never have paid any attention to Wanda if Peggy hadn't invented the dresses game. And she would never have paid any attention to Wanda. Suppose if Peggy hadn't invented the dresses game. But suppose Peggy and all the others started in on her next. She was always worried. Maddie always worried that suppose she may become next target of Peggy and other girls. About that she was worried. Maddie was worried. She wasn't as poor as Wanda, perhaps, but she was poor. Yes, she was not as poor as Wanda, but she was poor compared to other girls. That's why she was afraid that she may become next target or other girls make fun on her. Of course, she would have more sense than to say she had 100 dresses. Yes, she was brilliant enough to say, or she has sense than to say she had 100 dresses. Okay, that much sense she had. Like Petronsky, she was not ready to tell she had 100 dresses. That much sense she had. Still, she would not like for them to begin on her. Then also, she did not like her friends or other girls make fun of her. She wished Peggy would stop teasing Wanda Petronsky. She always wished that Peggy would stop teasing Wanda Petronsky. She wished as soon as possible Peggy must stop this teasing. Today, even though they had been late to school, Maddie was glad she had not had to make fun of Wanda. That day, Maddie was happy, she was glad, because that day they had not make fun of Wanda. She worked her arithmetic problems absent-mindedly. Yes, she wrote her arithmetic problems absent-mindedly. Her mind was thinking something and just mechanically she was writing. She was not giving any concentration on her writing. 8 times 8. Let's see. She wished she had the nerve to write Peggy a note, because she knew she never would have the courage to speak right out to Peggy, to say, "Hey Peg, let's stop asking Wanda how many dresses she has." 8 times 8, she was writing some arithmetic problems. That time a thought came to her mind. What is that thought? She had the nerves means courage, to write a note to Peggy, because she knew that she can't say that thing directly to Peggy. What is that thing? "Hey Peg, let us stop asking Wanda how many dresses she has. Peggy, let us stop this dress games. You don't ask Wanda Petronsky about her dress." Like that, she could not tell that matter to Peggy directly. That's why she decided to write that thing in a note, and later she wanted to give that note to Peggy. When she finished her arithmetic, she did start a note to Peggy. Yes, after completion of her problem solving, she started to write a note to Peggy. Suddenly, she paused and shuddered. Suddenly, she paused, stopped and shuddered. Shuddered means shivered, shook or trembled. Okay. Her hand started to shake. She pictured herself in the schoolyard, a new target for Peggy and the girls. She stopped writing because she thought she may become new target for Peggy and other girls. Peggy might ask her where she got the dress that she had on. And Maddie would have to say it was one of Peggy's old ones that Maddie's mother had tried to disguise with new trimmings, so no one in the room 13 would recognize it. She thought that she would become next target of Peggy and other girls, and Peggy might ask her where she got the dress she had worn. Then Maddie had to reply her that was the old dress of Peggy. Okay, that was handed me down clothes of Peggy. Okay. Maddie's mother had tried to disguise with Maddie's mother. She made some alteration in that dress with new trimmings by putting some trimmings, lines, okay, stripes on that dress. She made some alteration in that old dress of Peggy. Presently, Maddie is wearing that dress. Other girls should not recognize that dress. That's why mother made some alteration in that dress by putting some stripes on that. So, Maddie stopped her writing because she did not want to become the target of Peggy and other girls. Let us stop here. We shall continue in the next session.